Well, guys, I started late on this 2015 Nissan Altima. The transmission can come up through the top, but it's gonna be tight. I ain't gonna lie. It's literally gonna be a tight fit. When I mean tight as hell. Cause you're gonna get that shit now. Look. Shit. Put the phone down for a minute. Brakes up came on. 2013 to 2015 Nissan Altima. The transmission can't come up through the top. You do not have to take the subframe down if you don't want to. I just got a transmission jack holding the motor up, so make sure you have your cover drain, cause that shit there gonna leak like crazy. But you gonna have on this right here, you gonna have a hard problem. The back axle right there, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. You gonna catch hell, so you gonna have to how to maneuver around just a little taste. Other than that, it came up through the top. It's about depending on how fast you're working, if you're working by yourself or not, shit, probably like, you can probably get all this done in like at least 3 or 4 hours. I just took my time working on it, cause I work by myself. Got everything in the shop. Other than that shit, it ain't too bad of a job. But you can come up to the top.